Yesterday I gave a workshop for teachers and once again I heard the same thing. We can picture exactly what we want to do with a puppet when we buy it, but once we start, things turn out differently. We lose our way and don't really know what to do next. That's not your fault. You just didn't know yet that there's another way. Because you know what I keep seeing happen? When the puppet is introduced, it always causes a bit of a stir. Children react with so much excitement that things get chaotic. Especially when you're just starting out, that can be quite a challenge. You might still feel a little unsure with your puppet. You have no idea what to expect. Introducing a puppet, giving it a voice, telling a story, moving it smoothly and responding to children, that's just too much all at once. A puppet always triggers something in children. And if you're not prepared for that, they'll take over and you lose control. But that doesn't mean you can't do it. You just skipped a few steps. You went too fast. It happened to me too in the beginning. And I still remember that feeling. The chaos, the enthusiasm going in every direction. I'm Helen Meurs and for more than 30 years I've been working with puppets to lower barriers for children and invite them into contact and participation. Now I know how to catch that enthusiasm. I know I need to start from calm. Always. A calm start, that's the foundation. Without calm, there is no space for connection. And without connection, the puppet becomes an act. Then a big part of his value is lost. So, remember this. Starting from calm, that's step 1. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to do that.